Okay guys, I've done that. It came out pretty nice. So I measured it. It looks like it's off center, but it's not. The M's thicker on this side than this side. And like I said, I've measured it, so I know it's dead on. Now to go through and do the basket weave. And a basket weave kind of looks like, let's see if I can get this. I got to refigure out the way I do my lighting here. So that's part of the reason why my screen gets washed out with the camera. It's because of the way I have to do lighting. But that's what a basket weave looks like. And you can see there's a line edge there. So that's actually what's going to help me out. So let's get it wet down just a little bit more. And this is what's going to take a long, long time. So it's pretty much wet down. So then what I can do, I'm going to come through with my stylist. And I'm going to pick down here. And I have those lines set up of the inside where the basket weave is going to be. So I'm going to just come through and scribe a line real quick. And that's the line I follow, and I learned that on YouTube, which was pretty cool. So I want to get this centered on this line. I don't know how much of a big deal that's going to make, but I still kind of want to get that centered. There we go. So that's my first mark. And then all I have to do is follow my line and make sure I'm on it. Alright, now that came out pretty nice right to the edge there. So this one isn't. So what you do is you hold it at the angle so you don't stamp beyond that your ending line. So that's what I'm going to do. So I've got my marking kind of going into there. And then I'll show you how to cover that up so that doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. And you just come through. And you just follow that line you scribed into there. So I've got that. So then I could just come through. And if I was better, I could just continue and continue and continue and continue. I think I will try doing this. Nope, I'm going to want to scribe another line here. No, I'm good. So then I come through and I just match up my points. Push down and make a good stamp. And then the same for there. Come through and make a good stamp. Now that one got off kilter a little bit. So then as I make that, I could come through. Like I said, it got a little bit off kiltered, but I can fix that. So then this comes in there. And then these, I just match up. Remember, I want to hold it up just a little bit so I don't stamp past my edging there. The same with this spot here. Actually, I'm going to do this. So I just go up to that edge. And then there's going to be the same way. So I just go there, and then I'll camouflage all that in. And all I have to do is connect the dots. And then there I'm going to want to scribe my line. Sorry about that, my lighting fell over. Make sure I didn't flood out my camera. And then that's just how you do it. And then you just follow through with everything else. So my line's going to be right there. And then here, I want to lift it up a little bit so I don't get... Now I'm right on my edge there, so I don't want to go too far over. And that's actually coming out the best I've ever done so far for it. That I want to get it a little bit more wet. Now I'm going to come through, I'm going to do all the way down here, and I'm going to start working up here. I'm going to do that off camera. And then what I'm going to do is, when I come up into this area, I'll show you how I come around this area, and then up to here. So the initials really hang out, then I'm going to have the camo, and then I'll show you the camouflaging. But it's going to be just boring watching me just do stamping. So, plus this is going to take a couple of hours. So I'll do that off camera, and I'll be back when I come around here. All right, thanks guys.